Dear students, today we will be learning the method of solving the differential equation of another type, that is homogeneous differential equation. Let us understand what is a homogeneous function first. A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous function of degree n in x and y if f of x kx ky is equal to k raised to n into f of x. That means in the function f of xy, we will substitute kx in place of x and ky in place of y. The function can be rewritten as k raised to n into f of xy. Such functions are called homogeneous functions. If k raised to n, that is the power of n here, k is n, then the homogeneous function is of degree n. Now let us see the example. F of xy is taken x raised to 4 plus 3 x cube y plus 2x square y square plus y raised to 4. So we will substitute kx ky in place of x and y respectively. So f of kx ky is equal to, in place of x, kx raised to 4 plus 3 into kx the whole cube plus into ky plus 2 into kx the whole square, ky the whole square plus ky raised to 4. Now we will separate the exponent for both k and x in each term. K raised to 4 x raised to 4 plus 3 k cube x cube ky plus 2 k square x square into k square y square plus k raised to 4 y raised to 4. Now k raised to 4 x raised to 4. We will combine the similar part of the similar part of each term, that is k cube into k raised to 4 x cube y plus k raised to 4 into k square into k square k raised to 4 x square y raised to 4 x square y square and k raised to 4 into y raised to 4. So k raised to 4 is common in each term, so k raised to 4 is taken out. K raised to 4 into x raised to 4 plus 3x cube y plus 2x square y square plus y raised to 4. And this bracket is the given function f of xy, and here k raised to 4. 4 is the degree of k. So we will say that f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 4 in x and y. Now the homogeneous differential equation, that is the differential equation containing the homogeneous function of x and of same degree. Let us see the form. General form of differential equation or the homogeneous differential equation is f of xy dx plus g of xy dy is equal to 0. And here this is homogeneous if f of xy and g of xy are the homogeneous functions of same degree. Now let us learn the steps for solving homogeneous differential equation. First we will write the equation. Then we will take to this f of xy dx to the RHS and rewrite this equation as dy by dx is equal to minus of f of xy by g of xy. Now we will need a substitution here, y is equal to tx, very important, and then we need dy by dx also a substitution here. So dy by dx is equal to t plus x into dt by dx obtained by using the product rule of differentiation and consider t as a function of x. Now we will substitute these two cases in equation number 2. Then equation number 2 will be converted into variable separable form, and hence it can be solved by using the method of variable separable. Now after solving equation 2, we need the resubstitution. T is equal to y upon x, because y is equal to tx, then t is equal to y upon x, and which will be giving the required solution of the given differential equation. Now we will solve the sums of exercise 8.4. Question number 2. Solve the following differential equation, that is y square dx plus xy plus x square into dy is equal to 0. Here y square and xy plus x square both are homogeneous functions of same degree. 2 is the degree here. Now we will rewrite this equation as xy plus x square dy is equal to minus y square dx, and dy by dx is equal to minus y square upon xy plus x square, which is equation number 1. Now, which is the next step? That is substitution. Y is equal to Tx. Equation number 2, and we need the substitution for dy by dx also. So, we have to differentiate this y is equal to Tx. So, dy by dx is equal to t plus x into dt by dx by using the product rule. Equation number 3. Now, we will substitute equation number 2 and 3 in 1. So, we will get t plus x into dt by dx is equal to, wherever y is there, we will write tx. So, numerator minus t square x square upon x into tx plus x square. Here in numerator and denominator x square is common, taken out, and we can cancel this left hand side as it is. So x square is cancelled here, then minus t square upon t plus 1, and this plus t is taken to the RHS, that is minus t, and simplify by cross multiplying. Then x into dt by dx is equal to minus t square minus t into t plus 1, that is minus t into t minus t square plus minus t into 1 minus t. So denominator will be t plus 1. Now x into dt by dx is equal to minus t square is minus 2t square plus t, that is minus is taken out, minus of 2t square plus t upon t plus 1. So dt into t plus 1 upon 2t square plus t is equal to minus 1 by x into dx. Now we will integrate both sides. That is, integral t plus 1 upon 2t square plus t dt is equal to minus of integral 1 upon x dx. Now we will just adjust the numerator. Now 2t plus 1 minus t. 2t minus t is t itself. So 2t plus 1 minus t upon t is common in the denominator, so taken out. T into 2t plus 1 dt is equal to minus of integral 1 upon x dx. Now we will separate the denominator for 2t plus 1 and minus t. That is 2t plus 1 upon t into 2t plus 1. 2t plus 1 is cancelled, and the function will be integral 1 upon t dt minus integral of minus t upon t into 2t plus 1. T will get cancelled, then integral is integral 1 by 2t plus 1 dt is equal to minus integral 1 upon x dx. Now first integral is log 1 upon log modulus of t minus integral of 1 upon ax plus b form this is. So log modulus of 2t plus 1 divided by 2, because coefficient of t is 2 here, is equal to minus log modulus of x plus log modulus of c. Now 2 log modulus of t minus, here 2 is there in the denominator, so we will multiply throughout by 2. So we got 2 here, minus log modulus of 2t plus 1 is equal to minus 2 log modulus of x plus 2 log c. Now we will resubstitute for t, that is y upon x. 2 log y upon x minus 2 log 2y upon x. 2t it is, so 2 into y upon x plus 1 is equal to minus 2 log modulus of x plus 2 log modulus of c. Now 2 log y upon x can be written as log y minus log x. So it is 2 log y minus 2 log x. Now minus log 2y upon x plus 1 can be written as 2y plus x upon x. That is minus log 2y plus 1 minus log x. But there is a minus sign here. So minus of minus log x is plus log x is equal to minus 2 log x plus 2 log c. Now 2 can be taken to the exponent of y, x, c respectively. That is log y square plus log modulus of x. Here 2 log modulus of x minus 2 log modulus of x and plus log modulus of x will be minus log modulus of x. And there is minus 2 log modulus of x, so it will become taking this minus 2 log modulus of x to the LHS, then we can cancel one more log modulus of x and it will become plus log modulus of x is equal to log c square, and then this 2 log 2y plus x minus 2 log 2y plus x is taken to the RHS. Now log y square x is equal to log c square into x plus 2y. That is, we are just taking this negative terms to the RHS and the negative term in the RHS to the left hand side to make all the term positive. Then log y square x is equal to log c square into x plus 2y will become x into y square is equal to c square into x plus 2y, because both side it is of the form log a is equal to log b, that is a is equal to b form. So this is the required solution. Students, you have to learn the lesson integration thoroughly, then only you can solve the sums of this lesson. Now solve the differential equation dy by dx plus x minus 2y upon 2x minus y is equal to 0. So we will take the substitution y is equal to tx in the given equation. You can keep the second term in the LHS or you can take it to the RHS also. Now we will differentiate y is equal to tx, then we will get dy by dx is equal to t plus x into dt by dx, and we substitute this equation number 2 and 3 in equation number 1. We will get t plus x into dt by dx plus x minus 2tx upon 2x minus tx is equal to 0. Now x into dt by dx plus t plus 1 minus 2t by 2 minus t is obtained by cancelling x from numerator and denominator by taking common and cancelling. Now x into dt by dx plus cross multiplying t into 2 minus t, that is 2t minus t square plus 1 minus 2t upon 2 minus t is equal to 0. Now simplifying, we will get x into dt by dx plus 1 minus t square, because 2t minus 2t is cancelled. So 1 minus t square upon 2 minus t is equal to 0. Now we can take this 1 minus t square upon 2 minus t to the RHS, then it will become minus of 1 minus t square by 2 minus t. Now we can separate the variable. Now it is of the form variable separable, that is 1 minus t square upon 2 minus t is taken to the LHS, then it is minus of 2 minus t upon 1 minus t square dt is equal to dx upon x to the RHS. Now 2 minus t, this is minus of 2 minus t by 1 minus t square. So this minus sign is multiplied to the denominator, then it will become t square minus 1. dt is equal to dx upon x. So we will integrate on both sides. We will get integral of 2 minus t by t square minus 1 dt is equal to integral of dx upon x. So integral of 2 minus t upon t square minus 1 is of the form t plus 1 into t minus 1 is equal to integral dx upon x. Now this function we will use the method of partial fraction to integrate this LHS. That is 2 minus t upon t plus 1 into t minus 1 can be written as a by t plus 1 plus b by t minus 1, as the denominator contains the linear factors. Now remove this denominator by multiplying throughout by t plus 1 into t minus 1. Then LHS will be 2 minus t is equal to a into t minus 1 plus b into t plus 1. That is 2 minus t is equal to a into t minus 1 plus b into t plus 1. Then we will substitute t equal to 1 to remove this term containing a, and we get the value of b. That is 2 minus 1 is equal to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 1 plus 1. That is first term will be 0 and second term will be 2b. 2b is equal to 1, then b is equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly, put t is equal to minus 1, then we can remove this term containing b and we will get the value of a. That is 2 minus of minus 1, 3 is equal to a into minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2a plus 0. That is minus 2a is equal to 3, then a is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now we will substitute this value in the equation containing a and b. Then we integrate each term separately. That is minus 3 upon 2 is constant taken out into integral 1 upon t plus 1 dt plus 1 upon 2 is taken out, integral 1 upon t minus 1 dt is equal to integral dx upon x. Now 1 upon t plus 1, its integral is log modulus of t plus 1, that is minus 3 upon 2 log modulus of t plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 log modulus of t minus 1 is equal to log modulus of x plus constant c can be written as log c1. Now minus 3 into, here we removed 2 from the denominator by multiplying throughout by 2. And we will resubstitute t is equal to y upon x and simplified here. That is y plus cross multiplied. So y plus x upon x. Here also y minus x upon x, 2 log modulus of x plus 2 log modulus of c1. Now this can be written as log a upon b form. So we will write it as log a minus log b and multiplied by minus 3. So minus 3 log y plus x plus 3 log modulus of x, because it is minus log modulus of x and minus 3. So plus 3 log modulus of x plus log y minus x minus log modulus of x is equal to 2 log modulus of x plus 2 log c1. Now left hand side 3 log x minus log x is 2 log x, and right hand side also there is 2 log x, so it can be cancelled. And take this minus 3 log y plus x to the RHS, then it will become 3 log modulus of y plus x plus 2 log c1, that is log y minus x is equal to 3 log y plus x plus 2 log c1. Now log y minus x is equal to, take this 3 to the power of y plus x, that is log y plus x whole cube plus log c1 square, and this is of the form log a plus log b. So log c1 square into x plus y the whole cube, and we can remove this log, that is y minus x is equal to c1 square. c1 square can be written as another constant c, that is c into x plus y the whole cube, which is the solution of this given differential equation. Question number 7. Solve x square into dy by dx is equal to x square plus xy minus y square. Now here we will take x square to the RHS, then it is dy by dx is equal to x square plus xy minus y square upon x square. Take it as equation number 1 and take the substitution y is equal to tx, equation number 2, and then differentiate dy by dx, because we need the substitution for dy by dx also in equation number 1. So dy by dx is equal to t plus x into dt by dx, which is equation number 3. Now we will substitute equation number 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Then it is t plus x into dt by dx is equal to x square plus x into tx minus tx the whole square upon x square. Now in the numerator and denominator it will contain x square common, so x square is taken out and cancelled. So t plus x into dt by dx is equal to 1 plus t minus t square. Here t is cancelled from both the left and right hand side. So x into dt by dx is equal to 1 minus t square. So it can be written as dt by 1 square minus t square. 1 can be written as 1 square is equal to dx upon x. Now the left hand side it contains 1 upon a square minus x square form. So we will integrate both sides. That is integral dt upon 1 square minus t square is equal to integral dx upon x. Now this is of the form integral 1 upon a square minus x square. So we will use the formula 1 upon 2a log modulus of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. That is 1 upon 2 into 1 log modulus of 1 plus t upon 1 minus t is equal to log modulus of x plus log modulus of c1. Now we multiply throughout by 2, then 2 log modulus of 1 plus t upon 1 minus t is equal to 2 log modulus of x plus 2 log modulus of c1. Now this first we will convert this as log modulus of x square plus log modulus of c1 square and combine the terms by using law of logarithm. That is log 1 plus t upon 1 minus t is equal to log c1 square x square. Then remove the logarithm from both sides, then it will be 1 plus t upon 1 minus t is equal to c1 square x square, and resubstitute t is equal to y upon x. Then 1 plus y upon x upon 1 minus y upon x is equal to c1 square x square, and then cross multiply numerator and denominator. We will write it as x plus y upon x minus y upon x. So x can be cancelled from both the denominators, is equal to c x square, where c is equal to c1 square. This much is the exercise. Next part of this lesson will be explained in the next video. Thank you.